Hi, I'm Rachelle, founder of Supernatural and your host of Plant-Based with Well+Good. And today I'm going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic lemon rosemary spritz. I love citrus. We're gonna use lemon today, but I love citrus because in the peel, especially of citrus fruit, we have something called terpenes, which are also known as essential oils. And specifically in citrus, we have the essential oil limonene. Limonene is fantastic for mood. It has a lot of other benefits, but especially in this case, we like it for the mood. Citrus is also high in vitamin C, it helps enhance iron absorption, and on and on. We are also using rosemary. Rosemary is a phenomenal plant for so many reasons. So this little guy is rosemary for remembrance. It enhances cerebral circulation, so circulation to the brain. We use it for memory, focus, concentration. It's considered a nootropic. It's very high in essential oils. So you have a lot of aromatic essential oils in both the citrus and the rosemary. I keep a little essential oil rosemary on my desk every day and just breathe it when I want to be able to wake up and focus and be. So amazing. So this recipe, as most of the recipes I share, is a template. So you can switch out the fruit for different fruits if you like. You can switch out the herb for different herbs that you like. And using this combination, you can make all sorts of non-alcoholic cocktails, which I love and encourage. So the first step in this recipe is to make a simple syrup, but we're making our simple syrup with maple instead of a refined sugar. So that's a plus. So what we're gonna do is add some maple syrup and some warm water and some rosemary to a blender, blend it up, and I'll show you what comes next. For the rosemary, if yours is really like thick and sturdy like this, you can just pull off all the little leaves. Otherwise, you can just throw the whole thing in your blender. Kind of depends on how strong your blender is. So you know your blender. This is such a neat little sub recipe here. So again, you can switch out the herbs if you want. This is a way to make a syrup. This is going to be a concentrate that you can keep in your fridge and you can add to cocktails, mocktails, tea, recipes, whatever you want. It's a super cool little, you get 2 recipes in one here. Let's say that. Add a little water. Okay, and blend. Exciting, I love this. This is one of my faves right now. Okay, so now look, ooh, it's magic. We are going to strain this so we can get any of the extra twigginess out. Oh wow, it smells like a garden. Tell me that's not magic. That's magic. So next step is to juice some lemons. Our little mood boosters, our more essential oils in these. So much goodness comes from citrus. One of my favorite facts about citrus is that it can help treat stress-induced immunosuppression. So when our immune system is underactive because of our stress level, the terpenes in citrus can help balance that out. Really amazing, guys. That's plants for you. Okay, let's make our spritz. So we have our glass. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of your special syrup, or 3 parts, and 1 part of the lemon. More or less of either as you like. So I like a little extra lemons. So we're doing a little extra there, all to taste. And then fill the rest up with sparkling water. And last but not least, definitely garnish. Yum. All right, lemon, rosemary, non-alcoholic, functional, fresh, delicious cocktail. Spritz, actually. Yum. Well, this tastes like summer. And this recipe you can make for a bunch of people if you want, if you're entertaining or if you just want to have it, you know, on tap. So you make your concentrate, you store your concentrate, and then anytime you want one of these spritzes, just combine the concentrate with your sparkling water, stick some great herbs in there, and voila. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoy. For more episodes of plant-based, subscribe to Well+Good on YouTube. And for more herbalism, follow me on Instagram. Cheers.